Hello, precious family. Welcome back to Glorious Ahobrasia Kitchen. Adeshema, Mimobi Biara Akwaba. Today we're making one tomato-based stew and using it for two different stews. Stay tuned. Thanks for supporting and don't forget to subscribe, share, comment, and like the video.
So what I have
Love
here
you all.
is salted fish. Okay, and I'm using coconut oil. I'm making tomato stew or tomato based stew. For two stews, I'm going to divide it into two, and I'll use one for okra and one for spinach. Nearby by tomato stew. Nyama gumun fish. Fish. I could say money and I say kobe. Niente me pay me say simple to use. Then pet inside and thank us idea. Also I have my okra steaming here. Min kromansuni. See me steaming and sana me use. Yeah, bet me a season kromano before using it. Can add some season to it. And have an inch. Yeah, so now I have my onions here. So it's going inside. It's the same with the drilling. See how beautiful it's looking. Hey, Papa. Cook with love, enjoy with happiness, okay? Okay, so now I'm adding my chopped tomatoes. Okay, so now it's time to add my fresh habanero peppers and garlic, and I think 2 spring onion. You want to make and make garlic and then green kakra. So quick. Now I'm adding my allspice. This is the one I made for myself. You can add any season of your choice. You know, but to me season beer would now they are come. So when you make patch you season beer would now they are come. You me and me again. You tell me season. All season Amaya will make channel also, you can check it out. This is basil. Basil. I love basil. I cook mesa and I tube quick. Okay, so now I have my fish here. Now I have my fish here. I'm using Ghana mackerel or Ghana salmon, American mackerel. Yes, you use salmon, which is mackerel, and then 1 dry or smoked tilapia. Okay. Okra na mintimidi. I pay me from Kumani for Ubena. Mumu. Okay, so this is half of the stew and that's half of the the other half. Okay, so now I'm going to add my okra. I'm going to add my okra to the stew inside. The main banana come. Alright. Maybe a simple okra stew. No really nothing. No shrimp, nothing. Okay. Diego. This is our grill. I say, come on. Okay. This is what I'm gonna do now is I'm adding spinach. That's fresh baby spinach here. Fresh baby spinach. Okay, my left teeth. Okay, so that's it. Okay, now here I have my frozen spinach. Frozen spinach. So okay, you can control on a frozen, and that's what they are freezer. You may stop. This is from the store. The fresh one too is from the store. Okay. So we are done here. Yay! Hey. Oh yeah, now you come, a dog home. The okra stew looks delicious. So I'm blessing it with coconut oil. Kakrabi. Not just say, no sense, no. Come on here. Hey. Yeah. And I didn't add no more salt to it because I added a little bit salt to the okra whilst I was steaming it. And then the fish that I use, the salted one. So the stew still tastes good without adding any more. So when using this fish, you have to make sure with your salt so you don't mess up your food. Okay, our stew looks so delicious, colorful, and yummy. Smells so good. Coconut oil, and it's like organic one. So yeah, for you could be and so now we have here spinach stew. This is 2-in-1. 2-in-1 stew. Now you can't sing. What they add a bob aqua bonum. And that's why I come. Avocado. Yep. I'm gonna cover it. Yep. Yeah. We are done. Look at our stew. Yeah. 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 Seaweed. Make it been easy. Seaweed. Okay, finito. Let's go and eat. Look at the sea. Look at the food. Oh, yeah. Here's our contemporary stew. Our spinach stew is also done. Come on. Let's eat panko. Thanks so much for watching, and I must say, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so. Comment, give thumbs up, and like the video. Like the video. Benkwebe. Nkruma flo. Benkuke nkruma flo ya. Benkuke nkruma flo ya. Benku ni nkruma flo no why red nkruma flo ni benku abeng. Okay, we are done. Thank you for watching. Cook with love and joy with happiness.